Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FB Facebook. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, what a monster movement on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is one that I think a lot of people will be watching, myself included. And I make the comment about a lot of people because when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some, worthwhile price movements. And that's going to be one of those areas where, that's just a good solid area of support. And while I'm not saying there's a guarantee, my core point here is that it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price comes down here to 295 and then breaks down through it, that could create a nice little tradable opportunity. Again, not guaranteed, but by no means would that be a random thought to be having at that area on the chart. Now, if that level does fall, then the next level of support you would want to keep an eye on would be right down there around the 289-ish, or excuse me, 290-ish mark. So even there, that's a good $5 potential move right there, which again, from the trading standpoint, might be worthwhile to some people out there. Now, on the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, they just don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, let me squeeze down the chart to offer up even more perspective. There we go. So resistance levels on this, they just don't matter. Meaning what matters? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing. And that's this right there. Just building those higher lows. Or if you want to envision these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on just chipping away and building higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.